Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you guys can relocate your Steam games that you have backed up. Alright, so in this case I will be relocating Apex Legend my computer. So first make sure that you have the backed up game. Alright, so mine is on game G drive and this is the Apex Legend folder. So for your easiness I want to rename this as Apex Legend Old, and also make sure that you have installed Steam library first. So mine is installed on G drive in game directory. You might be on C drive, so it doesn't matter. Alright guys, so just you need to make sure that Steam library is installed on your computer. Now go back to Steam. If you notice something here in Steam library, so go to Steam library and go to Steam apps and go to common. So there is nothing else right here, and we just want to create a folder on this section. Okay, so to create a folder name you need to install this. Okay, so first click on install and make sure to choose the drive. Okay, if you have installed it on C, then you can choose C. So in my case it's G drive. Now I'm gonna install this. So guys, as soon as it's downloading, you guys will need to pause this. All right, and also make sure that you have Apex Legend right now, or whatever game name that folder you have. Okay, so make sure the folder is existed once you guys have downloaded. Alright guys, so once you have paused the download, all you guys need to do is uninstall this. Okay, so right click on this Apex Legend, go to manage, and then click on uninstall, and click on uninstall simply. Now what you guys wanted to do is you need to exit this Steam, and also make sure that it is completely shut down from your notification tray bar as well. Okay, from here. So once you guys have exit the Steam, now go back to your backed up Apex Legend or any games that you wanted to relocate. Okay, so this is the game content. Now you will need to Control A to select this and cut this, and go back to the Steam library and Steam apps and go to common, and this time paste over Apex Legends. Okay, and just click and paste. So now once you guys have pasted the game files on Steam common folder, now you can go to Steam again, or just relaunch this Steam, and now go to library and click on Apex Legend or whatever game that you are trying to install. Alright guys, so simply click on install, and guys make sure to select the drive as well and click on install. And this time, instead of start downloading or downloading the files, it will show you like validating. So just wait for a moment and it should show you the validating. And there you go. So in case if you have like game file or it's backed up but your game is not updated, then it will download some portion remaining on it. Okay, so just be patient and it will validate the game file. If you guys don't believe me, go ahead and check on your task manager, and you guys can check your hard drive right here. You can see it's going on 100, which means it is reading your files. Okay, so it's basically validating, so it will take time according to your game sizes. So after you guys have done validation, it should work perfectly fine. Alright guys, so now some files that need to be downloaded is downloading, and our validation has been done. And well, as you guys can see that now it's verifying. And there you go guys, we have verified. Now you are completely able to play this game. So just click and play, and then it should play your game, or it should open the game. And there you go guys, so you can see Apex Legend is loading. So guys, this is how you guys can relocate any kind of Steam game that you have backed up. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you guys in next video. Peace.